How dare you? Filipino are hospitable, but if you give misinformation to the others, you are not welcome to our country. So, yun nga guys, no? Panoorin natin itong isang kupal na ito. Nagbibigay ng misinterpretation sa ibang mga viewers niya, lalo na sa mga foreigners. So, pakinggan natin.
I'm here in the Philippines and I found a fake McDonald's. It has like this red thing outside. So we're gonna try it.
Sir Alex, excuse me, did you ever know how to read the difference between J and M, Jollibee and McDonald's? Huh? Please don't say Jollibee is our fake McDonald's, because Jollibee is part of our childhood. All of us are loved Jollibee, and that was originally from the Philippines. That was not a fake McDonald's, for your information.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, let's try the chicken at this fake McDonald's. It looks good. I don't think McDonald's has chicken like this. What's inside here? Bowl of rice. Let's go. Oh, that's fucking good. Food is inside. Let's try to put some gravy in it. Let's try this. Oh, with the gravy is so much better. So this piece of chicken.
Mukhang gutom na gutom ka.
Gravy only for
Oo.
€1.30. That's pretty fucking
Yeah,
cheap.
really fucking cheap, but you can't afford to buy. You buy only 1 pieces of chicken for the fake McDonald's. How dare you? Filipino are hospitable, but if you give misinformation to the others, you are not welcome to our country. Don't ever say that Jollibee is a fake McDonald's. That was originally in the Philippines, Sir Alex. If you want to become a famous, be kind. Don't give misinformation. That's all.